Yeah, fine, guys. So in the companies, we can see two types of projects, guys. First one is called as internet-based projects. Second one is called as intranet-based projects. These intranet-based projects also called as portals. They're also called as portals. Internet-based projects, nothing but everybody can use that project. Everybody can use that project. For example, Gmail is available. Anybody can create the account in the Gmail. They can access the Gmail application. And we are having Facebook. Anybody can use the Facebook. We can access that. And we are having IRCTC. It is a public application. And we are having LinkedIn. So these applications are available for public access. The applications which are available for public access, those applications are called as internet-based application. Now, I can go to browser and I can type gmail.com. Okay, so Gmail application is opening and we can create the account, we can log in. And there is another kind of project is available, that is intranet-based project. Intranet-based project, nothing but a portal. Nothing but portal. This application cannot be accessed by everyone. Public users cannot access these applications. For example, if you go to Aadhaar card application, if you go to Aadhaar application, can you apply Aadhaar card on your own? Can you apply Aadhaar card on your own? No. Why? That is not a internet application. Aadhaar card is a intranet application. If you want to apply for the Aadhaar card, you need to go to Aadhaar center and you need to talk to the employee in that office. They will access Aadhaar application. They will apply Aadhaar card for you. For example, I want to change my mobile number in the Aadhaar card. Can I go and change in the online? Can I go and change in the online? No. What I need to do? I need to go to Aadhaar center. I need to fill up a form. I need to give the form to that person. That person will access Aadhaar application. He will change my mobile number. He will give the acknowledgement. Mobile number updated. It will reflect after 1 week of time. So that will happen. That Aadhaar card project is intranet project. Okay. And when you go for Big Bazaar or else any shopping mall, they will use a system. They will, if you go to supermarket, they will use a system. They will generate a bill amount. Okay, by using one application in that. Can we access that billing application outside? That is accessible only within that supermarket. Only in their computer, that application will open to generate the bill for that. And if you go to hospital, OP filling will be available and your medical bills will be available. Can you use that application outside? No. That can be accessed only within that organization or within that company only. Okay, similarly, SBI bank available. SBI bank available. For example, my father want to send some amount to me. He is not educated. He's a farmer. He don't know about this IT. He don't know about net banking and all. He's having 50,000 money. He want to send to my account. Then what my father will do? He will go to bank. He will fill up a form. He will give to the bank cashier. That person will take the amount. He will use one application. He will transfer the money to my account. He will take the cash from my father and he will send that cash to my account. That means that SBI employee will use one application. Can I use that application outside? That application is accessible only within the SBI bank locations. So such kind of projects are called as intranet-based projects. Such kind of project is called as intranet-based project. Aadhaar, SBI money transfer, SBI money transfer. I'm not talking about the net banking. Net banking is again comes under internet. Why net banking comes under internet? Everybody can access that. Now, I have 50,000 money. I don't have net banking. I want to send to my friend. Then I will go to nearest SBI bank. I will fill up the form. I will deposit the money. Then they will use one project internally. to send the money to my account. They will take the cash, they will add the balance to my account. That kind of projects are called as intranet based projects. Those intranet based projects are called as portals. They're called as portal. When you are going for experienced interview, always keep in mind, don't keep these projects in the resume. If you keep these projects in the resume, in the interview, they will ask, take this laptop, show me your project. Okay, guys, take this laptop and show me your project. Then what will happen? We can't show that project. Then within 1 minute, they will catch that you are a fake experience. So always what we need to say in the resume, our project is a intranet project. What is the meaning of intranet project? Every public can access or public cannot access. Public cannot access. That project will be accessible only within my company, only within my client location. Outside people cannot access that application. That is the first step to escape. Okay, so whatever the project we are keeping in the resume, we need to say that our project is a intranet based project. Intranet based project means we cannot access in our personal laptops. That is accessible only within our company, and that is accessible only within the client location. Only in the client offices our project will be accessible. Outside it is not accessible. Now whatever the major project we are going to learn in the course, that major project comes under which category? It is intranet category. That is intranet category. Okay, good. Now, in the India, we have central government. Okay, we have a central government. So in the India, main is central government. Our Modi is the prime minister. Okay, and we are having state governments also. We are having state governments also. For every state, one chief minister will be available. For all the chief ministers, one prime minister is available. Okay, now let us take the example of Telangana state. Okay, in the Telangana state, KCR is the chief minister. What that chief minister will do in the state? He is managing the state. He is giving some schemes for the state citizens. Okay, several schemes are available. One pension programs will be available. Some marriage related programs will be available. Some farmer related programs will be available. Some unemployment related programs will be available. But in the India, our chief ministers will start giving the schemes just 1 year before the elections to attract the people, to attract the votes from the people. So it is there in every state, not only in Telangana. If you take Andhra Pradesh, some schemes are available, introduced by that state chief minister. This state chief minister introduced some programs. If you go for UP or Maharashtra, Karnataka, recent Congress won that Karnataka government, right? What are the schemes they have given? Have you seen that? No? Why Congress got 136 seats out of 225? Why? They told that 200 units of power is free for every house in the Karnataka. For unemployed graduates, monthly 3,000 rupees will be given as a pocket money. Unemployed diploma people, 1,500 rupees will be given on the pocket income per month. Okay, and there are some schemes are available for every poor family who are below poverty line. One double bedroom house we are going to provide. Those are the promises that are done by Congress leaders in the Karnataka. With those promises, people got attracted and people voted for the Congress. They got 136 assembly seats in the Karnataka. So like that, in every state, that politicians are going to introduce some schemes. Okay, our project is also related to that, but our project is not for Indian government. Our project is for US government. This is the real project done by Deloitte company. And remember, don't go to Deloitte company interview with this project, because that project everybody know in the Deloitte, whatever the project we have developed, because this is the biggest project in the Deloitte. The budget of the project is 3,000 crores. 1,500 people worked in that project. From 7 years, the project is still running. Development already completed. Project is under maintenance. I was part of the project for 3.5 years. I was part of the project when it was under development. Now project development completed. Project is in the production. That government is using that project. If you go to Deloitte company by keeping this project in the resume, security guard only will send you out. Yes, we know that. Right. So don't go to Deloitte company. You have to remove Deloitte from your favorite company's list, because the project that I'm going to discuss is done by Deloitte company. The same project Deloitte has provided for 25 states in the US. Whatever the project we have developed in the Deloitte for one state, same project with the minor changes, they sold that project to 25 states in the US government. So project is only one. Now, simple example, we are using mobile app, right? Our mobile app is available. We have not developed that mobile app. We have taken mobile app license from the Class Plus. Do you think that that mobile app was given to only our institute? In the Amirpet, every institute using that mobile app. But how many times they developed it? Only one time. They will give to our institute with our logo. They will go to other institute. They will update the logo. They will give to them. They will go to one more institute. They will give the same app, but minor changes will be available. Code is only one. Code base is only one, but they are selling to multiple customers in the market. That is one business, right? Similarly, Deloitte company also doing that business. They developed a project for one state. Same project they are selling to multiple states in the Deloitte by making small changes in the code. Got it? So similarly, how we have state governments in the India, in the US also, state governments are available. In every state, those governments are providing some benefits for state citizens. Now, I am from Andhra Pradesh. So in my state, there are some policies given by my state government chief minister. As I am belongs to AP, there are some policies are available in the AP given by the government. Some policies I am eligible, some policies I am not eligible. It depends on my income. It depends on my family income. It depends on my job. It depends on the income tax that I am paying to the government. So in the AP, some policies are available. Assume that there are 20 policies available in the Andhra Pradesh given by Andhra Pradesh government. Can I take all the 20 benefits? Can I take all the 20 benefits? No, because I am eligible for only few benefits, but not for all. So you are from West Bengal, right? So what are the schemes available? Beti Bachao. I mean, children's ko, you have to send the children to the school. Student loans. Right. Educational related. Any students who want to study after 10th class, government will provide the loans. Now, can I go to that West Bengal? Can I ask loan? Now, I got it. Some conditions will be available. Now, if I go to West Bengal, I will go to a bank in the West Bengal. I want to study BTech once again. Could you please give me the loan? Can I ask that? Why? That is applicable only for West Bengal citizens. First point. That is applicable for only West Bengal citizens. And I'm not from the West Bengal. First condition failed. Second one, that is applicable only for the people who completed 10th class in the recent years, 1 or 2 years back. I am having 30+ years. I'm not eligible related to my age. Okay. In my state, in the AP, there are some schemes available. So unemployed people will get 3,000 rupees monthly pocket money. If I go to my state and if I ask, give me 3,000, they will check my PAN card. Monthly, you are paying 1 lakh tax. How you are getting that much money? Then why you want 3,000 rupees per month from the government? So some conditions will be available. So in that condition, some people will be eligible for the plans. Some people will not be eligible for the plans. In the Telangana government, any lady from the poor family, if they are getting married, that government will provide 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees for the marriage expenditure. Can I go and ask that money? First of all, I am not lady. That is the first thing. Second thing, I am not belongs to Telangana. So these are the conditions will be available. The people who are matching with the conditions, only those people will get the benefits from the government. Now, let's come to our project. Our project we have developed for a state in the US, which is called Rhode Island. We have developed a project for a state in the US, that is a Rhode Island. Our project is a state government project, guys. Who is our client? State government. Rhode Island is state. In the US, 50 plus states are available. So in the US, 50 plus states are available. In that, Rhode Island is one of the state. For the Rhode Island state, we have developed one project. What is that project? That project is a state government portal. That project is a state government portal. That state government want to provide some benefits for the Rhode Island citizens related to food, related to job, related to hospital. Government want to provide some schemes for the Rhode Island state citizens. What that government want to do is, government want to provide the schemes for the people who are really eligible for the plans. Okay, as I told you, for unemployment plan, you should be graduated. Okay, your age should be less than 28 years. Your age should be less than 28 years. You should be graduated. Your family monthly income should be less than $1,000. So such kind of conditions will be available. Then only you will be eligible for the plan which is given by the government. Now, how that government will evaluate who is eligible for the plan, who is not eligible for the plan? For that, they need one software. That software we have developed. That is our major project. So what is that project? It is Rhode Island State Government. The project that we developed, the name of the project is IES. Okay. So this is Integrated Eligibility System. The project name is IES, that is Integrated Eligibility System. So we can check that here. What is this? University of Rhode Island IES documentation. RI Department of Human Services is available. RI IES is the application that we have developed. New application that we have developed. Same project is available in almost 20 plus states in the US. So the project we developed for Rhode Island. The project name is IES. IES stands for Integrated Eligibility System. IES stands for Integrated Eligibility System. What is the main purpose of this IES? It is used to provide fully integrated eligibility system for RI state citizens. It is used to provide fully integrated eligibility system for RI state citizens. By using IES application, RI is providing below health and insurance plans for RI state citizens. What are the plans that they are going to provide? So that first name of the plan, that is SNAP. They're providing a SNAP is one plan name. Similarly, CCAP is available. And the third one, Medicaid is available. Fourth one, Medicare is available. And fifth one, QHP is available. Sixth one, RIW is available. So these are the names of the plans. These are the plan names which is providing by RI government for RI state citizens. SNAP. SNAP is a food program. Food program, nothing but if your family income is very less, government will provide you food coupons to purchase the food on monthly basis. Monthly $300, $400. Government will give you amount to purchase the food for your family. So do you think that government will provide this for everybody in the RI state, for every family? No, it will be given for the families based on some condition. In the family, nobody is employed. Family monthly income less than $300, less than $500. Some conditions will be available. For this, they will provide a SNAP. SNAP, nothing but Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. We can check that in the Google also. SNAP application. SNAP application. Let me go. SNAP stand 1 minute. Not this is SNAP. What is that? Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. Whatever I am discussing, everything is available in the internet. That means it is a real project, not my created project. We worked on this project in the company. Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. So go to this, 1 minute. Wikipedia. Right. In the United States, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, known as Food Stamp Program. It is federal government that provide food purchasing assistance for low and no income people. The family who is having low income or no income, for that family, government will provide SNAP program. What is the meaning of a SNAP program? They will provide assistance to purchase the food for their family. That means government will provide some money for that family monthly basis. Okay. So right. Next one is CCAP. CCAP stands for Child Care Assistance Program. There is a family in the Rhode Island. That family having kids, but the family income is very less. They are not able to send their kids to the school. They are not able to pay school fees for the kids. For them, government is providing CCAP. That means there are conditions. Your family income should be less than $500. Your kid age should be less than 16 years. Then only you will get the CCAP. Once you get the CCAP, government will give you amount for your kids' school fees, for transportation, for kids' food also, government will provide the money. That is called CCAP program. And the next one, Medicaid is available. It is a health insurance. So now family not able to pay medical bills to the hospitals, government will provide Medicaid. That means you can go to hospital for free treatments. Okay, that plan is providing by the government. That is a Medicaid. Medicare is also a plan. This is applicable for the people who are above 60 years. For old people, any medical emergency is available. Those people can go to hospital, can take the free treatment if they are eligible for Medicare. And QHP, Qualified Health Plan, it is a commercial plan you need to purchase. Suppose in the hospital, if you got 2 lakhs bill, if you are in the QHP, 50% discount will be available. Like that, it is a commercial plan. And RIW. RIW stands for Rhode Island Works. Rhode Island Works nothing but if you are graduate but no job, then government will give you some amount to upskill yourself to get the job. If you want to attend any training, then government will pay the money for that so that you can get some knowledge and you need to get the job for that. So that is RIW program. Like this in the RI state, there are several programs available. In the real project, we are having 18 plans, but I'm not going to give you all the 18s. I'm giving you 6 plan names here. So in the real project, we implemented for 18 plans, but here I'm giving 6 plans out of that. What are the 6 plans? SNAP, CCAP, Medicaid, Medicare, QHP, and RIW. These are the plans which are providing by our government, that is Rhode Island state government. Who can apply for these plans? Can everybody apply or only RI state families can apply? Only RI state families can apply. So for the people who applied, for everybody, government will provide the money? No, For who they will provide the money? The people who are eligible for the plan. What is the meaning of eligibility? Matching the condition. What is your family income? What is your income? What is your kid age? Okay. What is your property status? What is your monthly income? Based on several conditions, they will decide which family is eligible, which family is not eligible. The family which is eligible, they will get the benefits from the government on monthly basis for 6 months or 1 year of time. It's not lifelong plans, guys. Maximum 1 year they can provide you that assistance from the government. Okay. In the India, in our state, these kind of plans and schemes will be there before 1 year of elections. But in the US, 365 days, these plans will be available. These plans not only in the RI state, in all the 50 states in the US, plans are available, but names may be different. Plan names may be different. So I worked on RI state project. That is the original project we started in the Deloitte. Later, they are selling the same project to multiple state governments by changing the UI, by changing the names of the plans. But the overall structure, overall architecture is same. Got it? So now tell me, what is our major project? What is the name of our major project? Our major project name is IES. IES stands for Integrated Eligibility System. What is the main purpose of IES? What is the main purpose of IES? IES is used to provide fully integrated eligibility system for RI state citizens. By using IES application, RI is providing below health and insurance plans for RI state citizens. What are those things? What are the plans available? SNAP available, CCAP available, Medicaid is available, Medicare is available, QHP is available, RIW is available. Now, I want you people to Google it and understand who is eligible for SNAP. SNAP nothing but Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. CCAP, that is Child Care Assistance Program. Okay, this is for food related, this is kids related, Medicaid, Medicare, QHP, health related, RIW, nothing but Rhode Island Works. RIW, nothing but Rhode Island Works. This is applicable for unemployees and this is applicable for senior citizens. Above 60 years. Only those people are eligible for Medicare. So tomorrow, when you go for interview, if they ask you, what is your project? You need to tell, currently I am working on IES application. IES stands for Integrated Eligibility System. This project we are developing for Rhode Island state government in the US. Our client is the state government only. The main purpose of this application to provide fully integrated eligibility system for RI state citizens. By using this IES application, RI government providing health and insurance plans for citizens of the Rhode Island state. In our application, we are having several plans. Those are SNAP, CCAP, Medicaid, Medicare, QHP, RIW. SNAP stands for Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, that is applicable for the families who are having low income and no income. And we are having CCAP program. CCAP stands for Child Care Assistance Program, that is applicable for the families who are having kids with no income. Medicaid is there, Medicare is available, QHP is available. Those are health related plans. Medicaid is applicable for the families who are having less resources. Medicare applicable for senior citizens above 60 years with less income. And QHP commercial plan, we have to purchase it. RIW, Rhode Island Works, that is unemployment plan. The people who are graduates but no job, for them government will provide some pocket money to upgrade their skill set to get the job. So I am involved in this project development. We are having several modules in the project. I worked on so and so module. Like that, you need to explain how much confident I have, how much confidence I have while explaining the project. You should also have that confidence. So I will make you practice that. And in the classroom, you need to provide the seminar for the people on the major project. So just theoretically, before going to start our development, first you need to prepare how to explain your project architecture in the interview. What is your project? What is the purpose of your project? What plans are available? What modules are available? What is the purpose of the module? If you get that clarity, I will ask everybody to do the presentation in the class. Once the presentations are completed, then we will prepare the resume. We will start attending the interview. Then development also will start parallelly. Are you clear with my point? Yes. What is your project name, guys? IES. IES stands for Integrated Eligibility System. Who is the client of our project? Rhode Island State Government. What is the main purpose of this project? It is used to provide fully integrated eligibility system for RI state, only for RI state citizens. These plans are applicable, not for other states people. That's my point. Okay. What is the main purpose of this project? To provide fully integrated eligibility system for RI state citizens. Okay. Now, what are the plans available? SNAP, CCAP, Medicaid, Medicare, QHP, and RIW. What is the SNAP? Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, that is food program. What is CCAP? Child Care Assistance Program for kids. What is a Medicaid? Health plan. What is Medicare? Senior Citizens Plan. What is QHP? Commercial plan. Commercial, we have to purchase it. What is RIW? Rhode Island Works. That is a unemployment plan. So our project is internet project, or our project is intranet project. Our project is intranet project. What is the meaning of intranet project? What is the meaning of intranet project? Remember, this project is accessible only in DHS offices. DHS, that means Department of Health Service. So now we have Aadhaar centers, where our Aadhaar project will be accessible only in the Aadhaar center. For every street, one Aadhaar center will be available in the city. In the villages, one Aadhaar center will be available. Similarly, in the Rhode Island state also, DHS offices will be available. This application is accessible only in the DHS offices. Are you clear? It is an intranet application. Everybody DHS offices. Are you guys clear with my point? Right, good. So for today, this is sufficient. I want you people to research on these plans in the internet and understand what are the conditions for the plans. SNAP, who are eligible? CCAP, who are eligible? Medicaid, who are eligible? Medicare, who are eligible? I want you people to research on this, guys. So you need to be very confident when you are explaining major project in the interview. When you are explaining major project, lot of confidence is required. I will see your confidence in the class. You need to provide a seminar in the class. Okay, good, fine. So today just I introduced what is our project and what is the name of the project. Tomorrow we will understand project architecture and what are the modules that are available in the project and what is the purpose of each module in the project. Don't miss the next few classes, guys. Very, very, very important to understand the major project. Tomorrow I will give you project architecture and project modules also. Okay, good. And the people after this class, get ready, take your resume printout, go to Venki. I will give the address for you. You guide to the people. Okay, so direct location, you can catch metro, you can get down near high-tech city Cyber Towers. From Cyber Towers, it is a walkable distance, 100 meters, just 5 minutes walkable distance. Their high-tech board will be available like a Charminar. Just opposite to that building will be available. I will give the number for that. Go there by 1:30. You need to be there. By sharp 1:30, you should be there. Okay. And for the remaining people, go and complete your lunch quickly and come here by 1:30. Okay, I will conduct a exam. So question paper is getting ready. I will review that question paper and I will check it and I will conduct the exam. So when I will conduct the exam between 1 to 5 o'clock before Spring Boot class, I will try to conduct the exam. So I want everyone to be available here to participate in the exam. Who will qualify in the exam? Those people only will go for interview. If exam is getting delayed, question paper is getting ready. If it is delayed, I will conduct the exam after Spring Boot class at 6:30. So today I have to complete that exam. Either before the class, after the class, I will conduct it. I want people to be available in the institute. So every day we can't send you reminders. Please come to institute to participate in the exam. So that is for you. You have to be available here. So before 5 minutes, I will call you to write the exam. Either before the class or after the class, I will conduct that exam today. I want everyone to participate in that exam, especially full stack people. Okay? Good. Yeah. Online people, anybody having any doubts? Today, core Java questions. Yes, I will give that. Let me go to core Java questions. What is the date? 17th. Guys, look at this. What is shallow cloning and deep cloning? Okay. What is the difference between filter and map methods in stream? Okay. What is shallow cloning and deep cloning? What is the difference between filter and map methods in stream API? Filter and map methods in stream API. Okay. What is the purpose of user defined exceptions? What is the purpose of user defined exceptions? Okay. What is factory design pattern? What is factory design pattern? Singleton class already you have written, right? What is factory design pattern? What is the purpose of user defined exceptions? What is the difference between filter and map methods in the stream API? What is shallow cloning and deep cloning? What is the difference between concurrent hash map and hash map? Concurrent hash map and hash map. Okay. What is weak hash map? What is weak hash map? What is weak hash map in Java? Shallow cloning, deep cloning, difference between filter and map methods in the stream API. What is the purpose of user defined exceptions? What is factory design pattern? What is the difference between concurrent hash map and hash map? What is weak hash map in the Java? What is the weak hash map in the Java? Okay. And next one, how to read file data using Java 8. How to read file data using Java 8. Okay. And next one, how to generate random text using Java. Program to generate random text using Java. We already done that in the mini project. Program to generate random text using Java. How to program to generate OTP using Java. Program to generate OTP using Java, just with the numbers. Okay, random text nothing but alphanumeric characters. OTP nothing but only numbers. 336 plus 3 9. Let me give one more question. 30th question. How to check program to check string contains only alphabets. Right, program to check string contains only alphabets. I have given one string. Okay, if I give like this, only alphabets available. If I give like this, numerics also available. You need to check whether string contains only alphabets or not. Right, program to check string contains only alphabets or not. Program to generate OTP using Java. Program to generate random text using Java. How to read file data using Java 8. What is weak hash map in Java? What is the difference between concurrent hash map and hash map? What is factory design pattern? What is the purpose of user defined exceptions in Java? What is the difference between filter and map methods in the stream API with examples? When to go for filter, when to go for map, and you should write an example. What is the shallow cloning and deep cloning in the Java? Okay, so I have given total 10 questions today. So total 30 questions we got. Got it? Fine. So I want everyone to prepare these questions, guys. You can give two options, without third party, with third party. I'm uploading these notes, guys. How many of you completed assignment? AWS account created, all of you? Yeah, fine, guys. Online students, anybody having any questions?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, I created my AWS account.
Your voice is very low, man.
Yeah, am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are
Hello?
audible now.
Yes, sir. When I created my AWS account, actually I stopped that process in the meantime. After one day, I will create my AWS account again. But after one day, I can't sign up. I have to
use new email ID to create the account.
Actually, sir, before one day, I created my account without my debit card, credit card. Understand, no, sir? Without debit card, credit card use, I created my account.
Sir, try to create with the new mail ID, sir.
Actually, sir, I
You
created.
stopped in the middle now. They will say that email ID already exists.
Yes, sir. That's why I logged in. Again, I logged in. I also logged into that account. It's showing that your AWS account is created without giving my without giving my bank account details.
Okay. Now you provide the bank account and you activate the account. You will get the mail. If your account is created, you will get the email with the confirmation. If you don't get that, that means your account is not created.
Sir, my account is created. I got the mail, but how to add my bank account details in that?
I will check that, sir. I will let you know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have one doubt actually.
Sir,
Zipkin server I downloaded, but I'm unable to run that. When I run it, it is giving some error actually.
Yeah, maybe Java version issue will be there. I will check in the evening class.
Java version 11 I'm using now.
Yes, sir. I will check in the evening class.
Okay, sure.
Okay. And guys, one more thing. We have uploaded Spring Boot 125 interview questions. Have you gone through that? No. We conducted a weekend workshop, Spring Boot with React JS. Anybody attended? No. No. Today they will ask at least what is React JS. What you will answer. Last Sunday, we conducted 2 hours workshop to introduce what is React JS. Only 70 people attended the workshop. That is not from our batch. Today they will ask you, what is React JS? What you will answer? At least, do you know the definition of that? You don't know. So that is what, guys. So you people are totally depending on the faculties. You have to come out from that zone. You have to come out from that zone. Whenever there, from last 4 days, my classes are not there. 2 weekend workshops happen. One is Spring Boot with React. How to integrate Spring Boot with the React, and what is the React JS? Why to go for React JS? What are the benefits of the React JS? 2 days ago, 2.5 hours class happened on the React JS. Nobody attended. And there is another important class happened. That is object lock versus class lock in the Java. You people did not attend that. Top 25 Spring Boot MVC interview questions. Top 25 Spring Boot Data JPA interview questions. Top 25 Spring Boot core module interview questions. We are uploading on the YouTube, but you guys are not watching that. Then what is how you will get selected in the interview? Today, some people may not get selected in the interview because you don't know React JS. Are you getting my point? So when we are sending couple of reminders in the WhatsApp groups also whenever there is a free workshop, and we are sending mobile app notifications also. I expected you people will attend the React JS workshop or this workshop, but both you have not attended. If you neglect, you are accountable for that. Today, if you are not selected because you don't know React JS, then you lost one opportunity. Yes or no? You lost one opportunity. The trainer who conducted the React JS workshop, he is having 12 plus years experience in the UI development. He is a UI architect in a company. He explained what is React JS, why React JS, how to develop a project using small project using React, how to integrate React with the Spring Boot. If you watch the 2.5 hours video at the fresher level, if somebody asks you what is React, you will have an answer for that. React JS is a JavaScript library which is used to develop front end of the application. What are the benefits of the React? What are the differences between Angular and React? And what are the modules we need to learn in the React to develop a project? Everything he explained in that live. You guys did not attend that. Did you get the reminder or not? In the WhatsApp group, you get the reminder? Yes or no? In the mobile app, did you get the reminder? You get it, but you did not do that. And how many of you watched these interview questions? 125 interview. Today, any question they are going to ask in the interview will be from that 125 only. They will not go beyond that. 125 interview questions on the Spring Boot and microservices. 25 questions on the core module. 25 questions on the MVC. 50. 25 questions on the JPA. 75. 20 questions on the security. 95. 20 questions on the microservices. Almost 115 interview questions. Only on the Spring Boot and microservices. Not only for the freshers, even for experienced people also they are important. From last 10 days, every 2 days we are uploading one video. That is with respect to interview perspective. Today, if they may ask you, what is a class lock in the Java? What is object lock in the Java? We don't know. That is a free workshop Sunday. So you need to realize, guys. So don't dependent on completely on the faculty. Faculty can help you up to some extent. Later point of time, you need to start preparation on your own to get the job. So we are telling you, complete Java, nobody can teach you. Even if I take classes for 2 years also, I can't teach you complete Java because I also don't know complete Java. It's very big. So we are giving these things for free of cost. YouTube videos, whenever you have a free time, you can watch them. But you are not doing that. Everything faculty has to explain in the class. That won't work out. So today you will realize what is the importance of the React.js and what is the importance of these interview questions. I know you also did not watch that. As I told you, my responsibility to bring the company. I can't give you offer letter. You have to prepare, you have to upskill, you have to work hard. Can anyone raise the hand? How many of you watched these interview questions? We completed core module, WebMVC, JPA. At least these 75 questions. Anybody watched all the 3 videos? And these videos, 25 minutes, 17 minutes, 90 minutes, 1.5 hours maximum. How many of you completed the 3 videos watching? Anyone from the class? No one. No one is watching those videos. Then how you will clear the interview? How you will clear the interview? We already provided question and answer directly, which are going to ask in the interview. And that too, these questions and answers not prepared by me. They are prepared by Raghu sir, another Spring Boot faculty. So you may get some concepts which I have not explained in the class also. Because different trainer prepared those videos. I requested him to prepare the interview questions on the Spring Boot microservices. He has given 120 questions with answers in the videos. We uploaded in the YouTube. And I have shared in the WhatsApp groups. Still you guys did not watch. This is the reason institutes are removing placement guarantee programs. People are thinking placement guarantee, institute will give the job. How you will get it? Already we have given the free content. You are not utilizing that. I expected you people will attend this React.js workshop. That day our classes also not available. That is Sunday. If you have attended that, you will be in the position today to answer what is React, why React, what are the benefits of the React, how to create a simple React application. That is sufficient for fresher interview. We are not asking to develop complete project on the React, at least some knowledge on the React. And I told for the people, Angular, I conducted a pre-batch, 20 videos are available. Anybody watched at least the introduction, what is Angular, why to go for Angular? No. What I am going to explain in the Angular classes, same thing already available in our YouTube. I conducted a pre-batch on the Angular. 22 classes I have taken for the Angular. Anybody watched those videos? I have shown in the class also. If anybody don't have any work to do, you can start preparing the Angular to become a full stack developer. You have not watched that as well. Forget about Angular, at least interview questions you are not watching, which are direct question answer, 20 minutes of time from last 1 month. Spring Core, Spring MVC, Spring Boot, Spring Security, microservices. Today they may ask some questions on the microservices. As I told you, ball is in your court. We are bringing the companies, we are giving the interview questions. If you are not selected, you are responsible for that. Okay, good. At least, please try to complete those videos. You don't have anything to practice today for Spring Boot. There are 3 videos, core module, JPA, WebMVC. 75 questions are available. Watch those things. When you have free time, after class is completed 6:30, go through that React.js workshop video. At least you will understand. In our full stack, React is not included. We have given the Angular in the syllabus. Some company asking React now. Then what to do? Do you think that I'm going to teach React again? No, that is not part of our syllabus. You have to learn that if you want to get the job. So that interest you should have, that maturity you should have, guys. Come out from the fresher mindset. Try to think like experienced developer. On demand basis, you have to learn the technology. On demand basis, you have to learn the technology. Right. Guys, while you are going to that, At least you watch that video while traveling. You will get in the fast forward mode. What is React? Why React? What are the features of the React? You people have time today. At the night time, you can complete watching that video so that you will get some clarity for the tomorrow's interview. And watch those Spring Boot microservice interview questions. 75 questions, almost 120 questions are available. I want you people to go through those things at least. That will help you in the interview. Okay, one by one, come and show me your programs on the core Java. I mean, the questions and answers I have given. Notebooks. Yeah, please. Yeah. They will know that. You can say that this is whose project ongoing development is happening. Some modules we have delivered. No, ongoing. Every month we'll get the new requirements. Plans will be changing, conditions will be changing, new plans will come, old plans will be removed. You can say that. I will tell you in the experience interview. That session I will cover that. Client company, payroll company concept will be there. I will tell you that. We can change the name. If you want, you can change the name. You can change the name. Yes, madam. Show me your notebook. Yeah, online people. With this, I'm stopping for today. We'll meet in the tomorrow's class. Please go through the React.js workshop and Spring Boot microservice interview questions, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. And once again, online full stack people, to attend the drives, you need to come to Hyderabad. If you come to Hyderabad, then I will arrange the interviews for you. Okay.